What's up, MTV? I know we haven't heard in a while, but today I'm gonna give you my VIP apartment tour here in Vancouver. So let's start here in the hallway. We have some nice pieces of art. Then here's the laundry and dryer combination, but let me show you my room. So here we are in this bright, huge apartment. So here we have my walk-in closet where I can store all my things and my clutter, because I put everything in there that the room looks nice and clean. We have this very cozy twin bed where I can sleep at night, and instead of a couch I have a chair, which is basically all you need. We can enjoy the nice view and get a lot of sun here in this room. The most important thing is the air condition. Since the summer here in Vancouver is super hot this year, I'm super happy that the whole apartment is air conditioned. This is my artsy self-made DIY furniture table, which I made from cardboard. Yes, I had a spare box because I was sending stuff home and that one was definitely too big, but I didn't saw it in the store, so I thought, why not use it as a table? Most of the apartments in Canada come with an own bathroom. When it's like a 2-bedroom apartment, there are 2 bathrooms, which is pretty nice because I have my own spa place here with a rain shower, with a sink and a mirror and a toilet. I share this apartment with a professional chef who worked in restaurants, so the kitchen is super well equipped. We have a huge oven, every kind of tools that you need, a giant fridge, and we even have a garden upstairs where we can grow our own vegetables. So perfect conditions here. It's where you can entertain your guests while you cook. I don't actually have any guests here because I don't know that many people in Vancouver, but it's a great place. Here we have the balcony. It's not just a nice apartment, it's also located in the very beautiful neighborhood of Kitsilano. Compared to downtown with all the skyscrapers and noise, you'll find houses with gardens and quiet streets. But it's not just this great garden area just here in Kitsilano. The whole city of Vancouver has a lot to offer when it comes to outdoor space. Let me take you with me on the Seawall, which is a waterfront biking path, so to say, a walking path, which goes along the whole city, and yeah, just let me show you that one. And last but not least, the beach. It's so awesome. I just walk a few minutes to the beach here in Kitsilano, which has the nicest sunsets and the best opportunities to swim here. In this LA-like summer, it's really needed to have a close access to the water because it's super hot this summer, and I'm pretty happy that I just walk a little bit there. So that was my MTV Cribs apartment tour. You wonder why it doesn't take that much longer? Because I don't have that much room to show you. But that's all what I needed. And as they say on Cribs, you don't gotta get home, but you gotta get the hell out of here. So see ya!